Now again, we proceed predicting outcomes. But now we're taking another form. Okay, let's have a look on the questions we have here. At a car park, there are 100 vehicles, 60 of which are cars, 30 are minibus, taxis, and the remainder are trucks. The remainder, we don't know the number of trucks, remember? We just said the remainder, whatever's left, those are trucks. If every vehicle is equally likely to leave, find the probability of a minibus taxi leaving first. Simple. We have 100 all in all. Minibus, how many minibus? 30. So we still have 30 out of 100. We're predicting the outcomes here. That would be 30 out of 100, which is 30%. Straightforward, no question. Second one, the probability of a truck leaving first. Now, remember guys, here, if I'm to go back here, we said the remainder are trucks. Okay, 30 for minibus, 60 for cars is 90. So the remainder is 10. It means 10. The number 10 is for the trucks to make 100. So the probability of a truck leaving first is still 10 out of 100 here, because the number of trucks are 10, which is 10%. Cool. C. The second probability of a car leaving second is either a truck or minibus taxi had left first. Okay, we have the probability of a car leaving second if either a truck or minibus taxi had left first. Okay, we have a car now. You will find that, how many cars, guys? How many cars? 60. So if a truck or minibus left first, then the total that remained there will be 99. Either one of them left first, then the second probability will be worked on 99 cars. But it's the matter of counting. Here we need a car leaving first. Okay, I mean leaving the second. Firstly, either truck or minibus. We still have the total here that we know. We still have 60 cars out of 99. If you look at that, if a truck or minibus taxi had left first, there are 99 vehicles there. So 60 out of 99, which is 60.6% for that car being the second. Okay, another example here. Every evening when your parents get home, they put all their coins except 5 rand coin into a bottle. The lid has a slot in it, and when the bottle is turned over, it is equally likely that any one of the coins will fall out. Okay, let's see the coins that the parents put for you. They put 5 cent, 10 cent, 20 cent, 50 cent, 1 rand, and 2 rand coins. How many? This is the frequency. How many of 5 cent? 30. 10 cent, 35 coins, 12, and so on. Remember, if you are to work out the probability at some stage, you need to total this. Okay, find the total for the bottom row. Cool, we've seen that. Now determine the probability that the coin which falls out will be a 50-cent coin. It's the matter of going back. Now, add the totals here. You look at your 50 cent, then it's 15. 15 of 50 cent. Now, 30 plus 35 plus 12 plus 15 plus 20 plus 8 should be 120. So, you're having the probability of 50 cent coin is 15 out of 120. The bottom one, it's a sample space. How many all in all? So, you have to simplify to 3 over 20. Guys, let me emphasize this point. Make sure you simplify your probability, your fraction, to the simplest form. Okay. Sometimes you lose marks for that. Simplify it, like in this case, have a look here. 15 out of 120. You get the number that goes into those, and then you have it there. Determine the probability that a 1 rand or 2 rand coin falls out. Okay. Right, 1 rand or 2 rand coin falls out. We're having this. If you go back to the table, we need the number of R1 and the number of R2. So R1 or R2 coin. Add them, or in probability, you simply take them together. You combine the number. How many R1? Or meaning add. How many R2? Here we go. You've got 20 plus 8 when you add R1 and R2. So out of 120. Okay. Then you get the answer there, and then you do the simplification. That will give you 7 out of 30. Remember, if the question says as a percentage, what do? That times 100, you get into a percentage. As a decimal, you just go 7 over 30 equals will give you the decimal part. Try to follow the question, whatever it says. Cool. Looking at this. Now determine the probability that the coin which falls out is not a 5-cent coin. If it's not a 5-cent coin, you first find the number, the total number, and minus what is 5 cent. What is 5 cent is 30. 120 minus what is not, what is 5 cent. The remainder will be what is not 5 cent. That simplifies to 3 out of 4. Guys, as simple as that. Favorable outcomes over the possible outcomes to a percentage, to a decimal form, then you enjoy your probability. See you guys in the next lessons. Cheers.